Hello.
Hello, we'd like to present you our third homework, the creation of an OLAP cube in Pentaho. So, firstly, we go to the Beaver and connect to the database AdventureWorks DW2019. Here you can see it. Everything works. So we're moving further to the schema workbench. One second. Okay, so we created a a schema, and the cube called best. We're so sorry, but okay. And cube best. So we decided to connect our cube to the table fact internet sales. You can see it. We imported it from the database. And here you can see our first dimension called products. The foreign key of this dimension is product key, and the type of it is standard dimension. Here you can see our first hierarchy. It's product info, and there is information about product, the main information, especially its name. And the primary key of this hierarchy is product key. So we connected this hierarchy to the table dim product and also imported from the database. We have only one level in this hierarchy, and it's product name. The column of this level is model name, and there is information about the name of the products. The type of this level is string, and the internal tab is also string. The level tab is regular, so the type and internal type are string because the information about products its name, it's a text file. Moving further, next dimension is sales, and there's information about all the sales that were made. The foreign key of this dimension is sales territory key, and its type standard dimension. The hierarchy of this dimension is sales territories, and so there is a list of territories where the products are distributed. The primary key of this hierarchy is sales territory key, and we connected this hierarchy to the table dim sales territory. The level in this hierarchy is sales region. So it is the list of regions where the products are being sold. The column of this level is sales territory region, and its type is string. Also, we can see here the level type and hide member. So the level type is regular and hide member is never. The next dimension is date. We decided to put also it in our cube to get more information, and then in future to get the measure, the revenue. So this dimension, I have already mentioned, called date, and its foreign key or the date key, and its type time dimension. The hierarchy in this dimension is datetime, and its primary key date key. We connected this hierarchy or this dimension to the table dim date, so we also imported it from the database. There are two levels in this hierarchy. The first is year. It's called calendar year, and the type integer, and the internal type is int. So the level type is time years because we need the information not in days or month. We need in this level information about years, so the level type is time years. The next level is month, and its level type also time month because we need information here in month. It's name month, and the column that we used is month number of year. The type is integer, and the internal type is int. So Nastya, please continue.
So we created the measures. The first measure is the revenue, as you can see, and it shows the total sum of money each region received from the sales. For the calculation of this measure, we used aggregator sum and the column sales amount. The data type is numeric. The next measure we developed is amount of products. It is used for showing the products which were sold in concrete territory. And for calculation of this measure, we used aggregate count and the column product key. So the next step we should do is connect to the server. So we push publish. We publish our schema. Okay. So the publish was successful. And now we go to Excel to connect to our cube from the Excel. So get Microsoft query, choose OLAP as one. Okay. So now we mount. In spite it shows the mistake, everything is okay.
So now Nastya in real time makes a table to show you how our OLAP cube works, and also that our measures works. I think you have to wait for some seconds.
Yes, because we need to not just click and transfer. There is a certain последовательность. So the table, yes, so the table will look nice and quite understandable. And I think it's the last step. Have we chosen? Yes. So it's our final table. As you can see, everything we talked about in Pentaho, everything is here. So for example, sales territory are here in lines. So for example, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, and so on. Also, there is the list of the products themselves. And in the columns, you can see the year date and the amount of products. So let's talk about it. As we have already told you, amount of products show the amount of certain product, for example, all bike wash, which was sold in concrete region. And as for the revenue, it demonstrates the total income which was received from the purchases of certain products, for example, bike wash. And we can see that, for example, there were no sales in 2010 and 2011. And as a result, we can also see the total amount of products and the revenue for our, how many? 5 years? Yes, 5 years. And that's not all. If we want to receive more information and understand the calculation, we can choose the year. For example, 2013, and look at months. So we can see how many sales and how many products were sold in each month. So maybe that's all about our Excel table or about our product we've done. Lisa, do you think that it's all? Lisa.